Hi, my name is Azida. I'm from the Center for Development of Academic Excellence and Student Development, CDAE, of University Science Malaysia. Today, I'm going to share with you on how to create video for interactive ebook. It will be interesting for you to be able to create your own video and as well as creating your own interactive ebook. Firstly, I would like to share with you what is actually interactive ebook. Okay, in our traditional class, we have this hard copy books that we use to teach our students, or they read the hard copies at home for their own purposes. Okay. However, interactive ebooks take the advantage of touchscreen capabilities, okay, to engage more than just the eyes for your students. Meaning that in an interactive ebook, we are able to show them videos and interactive functionality that can be used in mobile devices. In an ebooks, we could embed interactions such as videos, quizzes, and knowledge tests, checklists, maps, animation, links, interactive infographics, and calculators. Meaning that while they are reading, while our students are reading, they will be able to watch videos. We can provide them with quizzes, checklists, and anything that related to the content of the ebooks. It will be much more interesting for them to watch and to discover using the interaction within the ebooks. Okay, why? Okay, why we are doing these ebooks, this interactive ebook? What are the purposes? What are the purposes of the ebooks? The main thing is we are going to create immersive experience to our students. Okay, so meaning that our student will be able to explore. They will be able to hear and see the actual knowledge that we are going to let them discover within the ebooks. It is very important that they are able to experience within the ebooks. Normal traditional hard copy books, they can read, but they are not able to experience using the hard copy books. And why? Why bother creating ebooks? As we can see now, we are in the 21st century and we are looking at 21st century learning and skills. One of the skills that we want our students to achieve is information, communication, and technology. So it is very important that we know our students need to be able to explore information, communication, and technology, or ICT. As we know, our students are digital natives. Digital natives born in the digital world. They were born in the digital era. When they were born, they are being provided by digital devices as computers, mobile phones, and so on. So they are interested in using the mobile devices for their learning. As such, we as teachers need to facilitate the need of these 21st century learners. And creating ebooks is one of our strategies to help students in the 21st century. So, how to create an interactive ebook? Most of us are digital immigrants. We are digital immigrant teachers, and we are mostly not into technology. So to create our own interactive ebook looks not possible. However, actually there are some apps that will help us to create a very nice interactive ebook, and it is easy to use. Before we start creating our interactive ebook, we need to plan. Okay, you need to plan your interactive ebook. First, you will need to know who will engage with your interactive ebook. Okay, who are your audience? And what types of content should be included in your ebook? What types of content? Are you going to do a mathematics ebook for year 1 students, for example? So you must decide what content are you going to include in your interactive ebook at first. Then, what types of interactive elements will support storytelling at each page in the book? So, are you going to include videos? Or are you going to include quiz? Or are you going to include drag and drop elements in the ebook? So you will have to decide beforehand before you create the interactive ebook. And how will the asset fit into and be promoted within your content marketing mix? Okay, so it is important for you to know how are you going to promote your interactive ebook, because now is the time for you to share. Okay, you can share your interactive ebook to the world, not only to your students. So you will benefit many people by using your interactive ebook. After you have planned, you need to create. Creation of ebook is something that most teachers think that they are not able to do. Okay? Actually, it is not that hard. Pick a subject and develop the creative strategy first. Okay, you have planned just now. So, create or develop the creative strategy. Then, you need to develop an outline for the content flow. Okay, what will come at the first page, second page, and so on. Think about which visual and audio will best support your content. Okay, so what kind of support or content or visual that is related to your interactive ebook? let's say you are going to do an interactive ebook for preschoolers. So make sure that your visuals are suitable for preschoolers. Use cartoons or interesting images to support your interactive ebook. Then develop the visual and audio interaction in your draft copy of the interactive ebook. How? I'll show you later. Yes, now we are going to create a video content using screencasting. But what is screencasting? Screencast is a video recording of your computer screen, and usually it includes audio. So actually we can record our computer screen as much as we want and make it as a video. And it is easy and fun. Why we are using screencast? Screencasts help us to do tutorials. Okay, you can do tutorials one by one, step by step on how to, for example, do or solve a mathematical formula. You can also do video lessons, or you can do slideshare presentation, and as well as for the purpose of producing ebook. Now while I'm doing this video presentation on creating video for interactive ebook, I am actually using a screencast to produce my video. So let's say you want to create your screencast and you are going to do a tutorial or video lessons to your students. So how are you going to do that? You need a screencast app. Alright, I'll show you the screencast apps that I use for this particular video, meaning that the screencast apps that I use to share, to create this particular video tutorial. Okay, actually, why do we need to use the screencast? Actually, the reason is because we need to share the content more than once. Imagine if you are in a classroom and you are teaching. Suddenly one student asks you a question and then you answer the questions. Then 5 minutes later, a student comes in or asks you the same exact question. Then you have to explain again. Then another 10 minutes, another student comes and asks you another question. The same question. And then you have to answer again. So, how many times a day do you have to answer the same questions? By using screencast, you can record the answer and you can display it as a video, and your students will be able to view it as much as they can. When a similar question arises, you can just ask them to watch the video. The question is in the video. Right. So for the purpose of this class, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to create my own screencast. Using Screencast-O-Matic is really easy. You need to sign up, okay, until you are in this page. Then you need to download and install so that you can record your screencast without using the internet. The best thing about Screencast-O-Matic, you can also create your screencast automatically without downloading and installing it in your computer. But you need to have internet connection. So if you download and install, you don't have to use internet while creating your screencast. Let me show you. Using Screencast-O-Matic is fairly easy and you can do it by yourself. In the next video, I will show you how to download and use Screencast-O-Matic so that you can create your own video. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.